Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Content Lab. I'm Anna from the Content Lab, and today we're diving into a colorful world that plays a crucial role in graphic design, the science and importance of colors. So, grab your palette and let's explore the art and science behind color theory. Colors are more than just visually pleasing, they evoke emotions, convey messages, and create memorable experiences. In graphic design, understanding the psychology of colors is fundamental. Let's take a look at how colors can influence our perceptions and emotions. Show examples of designs using different color schemes and their emotional impact. To create visually appealing designs, designers rely on color theory, a set of guidelines and principles that determine how colors interact. There are primary colors, secondary colors, and tertiary colors. Understanding these basics helps designers make informed color choices. Explain the color wheel and its segments, primary, secondary, and tertiary colors. Color harmonies are combinations of colors that are aesthetically pleasing. They include complementary, analogous, triadic, and more. Let's explore how these harmonies are applied in graphic design and why they matter. Show examples of designs using various color harmonies. Cultural significance of colors. Colors have cultural significance, and their meanings can vary across different societies. In graphic design, it's essential to consider cultural context to ensure the message resonates positively. Let's uncover the cultural impact of colors in design. Showcase designs influenced by cultural color meanings. The science behind color perception. Now, let's delve into the science behind color perception. Our brains interpret colors based on a combination of light, wavelengths, and how our eyes perceive them. Understanding this science allows designers to create visually compelling and accessible designs. Explain color perception with graphics and animation. Accessibility and inclusive design. Design is for everyone, and that includes considering accessibility. Choosing colors with sufficient contrast and considering color blindness are crucial for creating inclusive designs. Let's explore how designers can make their work accessible to a diverse audience. Showcase examples of accessible design and color palettes. As we wrap up our journey into the world of color in graphic design, remember that colors are not just a visual element, they're a powerful tool for communication. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, understanding the importance of colors and the science behind color theory will undoubtedly elevate your designs. Thanks for joining us today on the Content Lab. I'm Anna, and until next time, keep creating with color.